Step 1, remove the existing toilet seat and lid from your toilet and set them aside. Step 2, turn the riser over so that you can see the rubber grip pads as well as the sockets for installing the armrests. The sockets will be labeled with red and blue arrows. The red arrows will correspond to the user's left side and the blue arrows to the user's right side. The armrests will also show corresponding stickers to indicate which set of sockets each armrest should be fitted into. To fit the armrests in, make sure that the longer, unpadded end of the armrest is oriented toward the front of the riser. Fit the ends of the armrests into the sockets, depress the locking pins, and push them into the sockets until the locking pins click into place. Repeat these same steps to install the other armrest on the opposite side. Step 3, set the riser on the toilet and ensure that the holes in the riser and the holes in the toilet are aligned. Step 4, place the toilet seat on top of the seat riser and align the attachment holes. Step 5, fit one of the long bolts through the attachment point for the toilet seat, through the riser and into the toilet itself. You'll then attach the other one in the other spot. Step 6, secure the bolt with the included washers and wing nut. Fit the wing nut after the washers and tighten. If needed, a washer can be placed beneath the bolt head.